beans.
The
Red
black
beans.
beans.
This
that
is
you...
red beans.
Okay.
Yes, and this is alkaline. This one is alkaline.
The white thing?
Yes, this is
Okay.
alkaline.
Alright.
And yes,
Not kind of like you give the money and...
you give the money and they can buy other stuffs.
Right.
Yes, yes. Peleka usenga kundu. Mtako ni. And this is how they use this kind of Lamborghini or Jeep.
The
This
donkey.
Yes, this is BMW. She's looking for BMW parking.
I see 2 BMWs are coming on top
Yes.
of the mountain mass.
This is our river.
So this is where you find drinking water as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Jangan langgar aja. Nama apa? Busroy. My young brother, little girl. You know what? Boleh.
It's burning man. The wife's born kid. We must celebrate a little bit.
Okay.
And
It's
we
like a
slaughter-
ceremony.
Yeah, we ceremony. Yeah, we slaughter some goats,
Alright.
2 goats, and we cook some food for people eat free, no charge
Right.
anything.
Okay.
So here we slaughter some animal like sheep.
Okay.
2 sheep. Normally it's our common tribes sheep.
Mm-hmm.
So we must share anything for people going to dancing, and the mama stay home,
Okay.
and the men stay the bush like this, and eat meat, rice, anything. we have here.
Anything.
Yeah.
Like a ceremony.
So Frank is the father, the brother of Frank.
Frank.
Let's
Okay.
invite him. Please pass here to eat a little bit.
Yeah,
with your
yeah.
friend.
Right.
That is why friend pass here. Anyo.
Hapa.
Ingine nore.
Kama siasa madai.
Mangu nyira. Mangu nyawi. Mangu nyidungu. Enta jana ro enero yo.
I will eat a very small piece because I don't think.
Ingine ingine
Yeah.
Do bagina.
Yeah.
You can try.
Thank you.
So nice.
Yeah.
Anja unene ro. Nanta.
Alright, thank you.
Ajara yana yin pani na. You want one more? Take
No.
2 pieces, yeah? Normally
Bina.
for my tribe, you must take 2 pieces. Just if you
Okay.
stop.
I will take another piece.
You know the animal from here is salt, because all grass from is all grazing growing here is sanding, so it's a volcanic soil. So all the meat we are not add with the salt, but it's already salting from the goat.
Okay.
Yeah, so understand that today you meet Jesus family. Any other? Huh? Lakini jioni mara dah mana gila lah sampai nele dah.